I was confused.
Okay. Need 7 volunteers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All 7, just line up, spread out along front here. Okay. Here is what we're going to do. Go ahead and scoot down a little bit. Like spread, a lot of spread. Okay. This might bring back PTSD. Yeah, metronome set up. Okay. Metronome set up for 1 click every second. Okay. What I'm going to do is take this, not watermelon, but a bowling ball. I'm going to roll it down in front of the classroom. Every time that clicks, I'm going to put one of you where the ball is. That makes sense? Okay. You might have to do this a couple times, but actually, right. Like, come over here. Give yourself some room. Maybe like half of an arm length apart with each other. Estimate. Okay. So what it's going to do, I'm going to roll it. I'm going to say there, there, there. That makes sense. You stand. The next person in line stands wherever there is. Okay? Here we go. There, 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 there. There it is. Okay. Try that again. Holding skills. I'm going to lob it. It kind of veers this way, so I'm going to kind of lob it towards you guys.
That's all I help.
There, 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 there. Okay. Well,
Besides the fact that it also
we'll call that good enough. We'll call that good. All right. So, this is the kind of mistake I did last
not to mention
hour, but I think it worked out pretty well. So, put a meter stick down in front of you. Make sure it's the centimeter side, not the inches side. It's like end to end. Bryce, you're starting, you're like the 0 to wherever, and then put it on the ground. Or no, you could probably just try holding it. That could be fun. We might not. We go end to end, bump it up to the end. So you're doing like that. So go end to end. So you're 0. Yep, like that. There. There. Yep. Hang on to that. So figure out where you're at.
I think we're just building one of these water bridges again. Like the aqueducts.
Makes sense. Around.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Barely have any.
So figure out where you're at. So this is like 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meters. And then figure out where you are. Like 1, 2, 3 point
Ish.
5, 3. Just round it. Does that make sense? Everybody understand where you're going? What you got? Thumbs up in your. You got it. You got something. Remember the person to your right. Remember the person to your right, because you're going to say after that. Good? All right, go ahead and just drop them. Take the meter sticks and have a seat. Thanks very much. Good job. Well done. Well done. Thank you for being part of the scientific community. All right. Okay, so we're gonna graph this where we have position where the ball was at a certain clock reading. So we got clock reading on the bottom. Okay. Measure that in seconds. We're going to measure that position in meters. Okay. So, Bryce, what do you got?
0.
Good. Next, just shout it out.
1.2.
1.2. Next,
2.3.
2.3. Next,
3.4.
3.4. Okay, next.
4.3.
4.3. Next.
5.1.
5.1. Next.
6.2.
Good. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Does everybody understand where those came from? Okay. The location of the ball at that clock reading. Okay. So, what we're going to do, we're going to make a best fit line. And this looks good. It's not perfect, right? I mean, can you see that? That's fine. That's normal. That's real life. That's just how science works. And so we're going to like best fit line it. Yes. Sort of. Steady as she goes. Okay. Good with that. Okay. Now, cool thing we can do with a line graph is we can find the slope. Okay. This looks pretty. I mean, that's like. I'm going to pick this point here, and I'm going to pick this point here. Those look like they cross the hash marks. Okay. So, slope. Math people, tell me. How do you find slope? Rise over run, right? Changing y over changing x. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yes, I heard all of those. Good with that? Okay. So let's give it a whirl here. All right. So I've got here's my 0.2. Here's my 0.1 coming up. So we got 3.8. What's the unit on that? Meters over 3.6. Unit on that.
Okay.
Seconds. Okay, so we've got 1.8 seconds and 2 meters. So if I want to do this, I'm going to find that to be 1.8 meters over 1.8 seconds. Is everybody okay with that? Like that doesn't always happen. It's just the difference between these two. Okay. Huh.
1.
That doesn't always happen either. Okay, so
It's 1.
this is equal to 1. That's kind of nice. And what's the unit on that?
Meters per second.
Meters per second.
It's 1.
That's crazy. What do you think that means? What did we just do there? What is it that we just calculated? The velocity of the bowling ball. What? We just did something you did in math class that actually means something in real life? Like, is that a thing? Is that legal? Like, we just, what? Okay.
Yes.
That's physics. Math, real life, physics. Cool with that? I mean, okay, so check this out. Rise of a run. On the y-axis, what are we graphing here? What's on the y-axis? Position. Okay? So we have final position minus initial position. What's on the x-axis? Time. We have final clock reading minus initial clock reading. All right with that? Hey, what's this quantity? Change in x, displacement. What's this? What's this quantity? Delta t, time interval. Hey, wait a minute. What's that ratio called?
Average velocity.
Yep, our average velocity. Okay? No, not delta v, just v. Okay? So velocity. What? How cool is that? So, takeaway. The slope on a position versus time graph tells us velocity. Good with that? Okay. Questions there? As introduced in the football lab workout. Okay. All right. All right. So, give this one a shot. Do not influence or be influenced yet. Just want to know what's in your brain. Thumbs up when you have a guess. Have a conversation and tell them why you think what you think. Correct answer is? Okay, I heard A's and D's. Okay, so our thing in question is B. Is B a thing? So is everybody okay with they have the same position at that moment in time? Okay. Displacement is change in position. The blue started here. The purple started here. So the correct answer is just A. Does that make sense? Good with that? Okay. All right. Next question. So, I guess let me just point this out. if you missed it, there's an opportunity right there to like write something down, make a log entry. Hey, here's why. Here's what I thought. This is different. Here's the right answer. That make sense? Just trying to coach you how to be successful in this class. Thumbs up now, I guess. Talk to yourself. Talk to your neighbor, not yourself.
Because he goes the farthest and shortest amount of time.
Correct answer is A. Why? It has the steepest slope. Okay? Next question. Same graph. Imagine putting yourself on the football field, like the lab we did at the beginning. Thumbs up when you got something. Share your ideas.
Rainbow purple. It's just what it is.
It's supposed to be the end of the bottom.
Where are they running to? Zero. Correct answer is? Correct answer is B. Okay, they're all going to the 0. Green starts at the 20, blue starts at the 30, purple starts at the 40. All right with that? Same graph, different question. Have a conversation. Why do you think so?
Bro, I just realized we
Correct answer is. Okay. Popular answers are A and B, usually. Why do you say A? I mean, the blue is obviously a longer line. Like
It's different, there's more of a difference in the starting position.
Yep. Purple goes from 40 to 0. Blue only goes from 30 to 0. It just took blue a long time to get there. You see how that corresponds there. Okay. Again, if you missed it, great opportunity. Okay. Thumbs up when you got an answer. Compare notes.
I do it harder.
Correct answer is? Correct answer is D. Okay, green finishes, then purple, and then finally blue. Good as that? This is just a placeholder. You can like compare and contrast with that. Follow that line system. Thumbs up when you got something. Talk to me. Tell them why you think so.
Orange or shorter?
Yeah. So I was looking for and like you said, there's a lot of practice. I use it. Yeah, some people say, yeah.
Where? It's over. It's me, Camilla and her friends, and then a bunch of the German people.
Correct answer is, what do you say? Oh, that's a good argument. Okay, I heard A's and C's. Raise your hand if you said A. Raise your hand if you said C.
Oh. Everyone's just pointing at the wall. This guy.
Hey. Why is it A? Why? Defend yourself. Why is it A?
It has a shorter distance. It has the same position as blue, but it has a shorter amount of time to get into that position.
Good. They swapped places on the football field.
But they use it.
Orange just did it in less time.
Yes. Yes.
Good? Okay. So, what do you guys? Have a conversation.
Everyone uses
Is everybody all right? See? Okay? They're walking the pot, you have a positive slope. Just steep here and shallow here. Good? Okay. I usually don't do this, but I have this hunch. We're gonna call that good.